Everybody, we're going to have a very informal kind of demo or opportunity to ask questions or to get to know a little bit more about Katevoeten. This is the Katevoeten Gurukula, enorm material in the Katevoeten Gurukula. Today we have special guests. Rustam Baruta will be with us for some days. And as it is an open house, we got also a few other people who would like to ask maybe questions or see specific things. We have planned a little bit. We'll start with a kind of opening song and then go into an entry of the Kauravas. A little bit from a play called Kurbanji, Mr. Kurati, and in between feel free to say, I would like to know why you do this or what is happening. It's not a very formal kind of demo, it's meant to talk about Katevoeten. Minglekude, kewi kekala, Iliana Yepadi, Ide Namak Ver Janana, Putupati Arim Humpanatuke. Seriya. And then there is a special item. The last, some of the junior kids will show a little bit of their performance in makeup.
வாடா தளபதி கேடா தளபதி நீங்க ஒண்ணும் புரியல. சரி விடுங்க.
காவல் அப்படி நான் வரவேன்றா அப்படிதான் இருக்கு. 9.
3 நம்பர் போயிடுங்க.
4. நாங்கள் ரோம். இன்றைய தினம் சதியாலோசனை செய்ய போகிறோம். இன்று என்னுடைய சபைக்கு யாரும் வரக்கூடாது. என்ன பண்றா?
நீ ஓடுறா. என்ன பாக்குற?
போடு.
என்ன நீ போடு?
நீ போடுறியா?
நீ போடுற.
நான் போடுறேன், நீ போடுறியா?
இல்ல நான் போடுறேன்.
நீயே போடு.
நீ போடு.
வாடா.
டேய்
டேய், கண்டா போடாச்சா?
அம்மாடா டேய்.
டேய்,
டேய் என்ன?
கண்டா போடா.
இந்த வழியில அதுதான் டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். டேய் பாஜா. அங்க மேலத்துல இருந்து வார்த்தை வந்துச்சு.
போடலாம்யா.
இந்தா. திடோ 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 இதனால் சகல விதமான பேருக்கு தெரிவிப்பது என்னவென்றால் இன்று துரியோதன மகாராஜா சபைக்கு யாரும் வரக்கூடாது என்று உத்தரவே.
வாங்கிக்கலாம் விட்டு போறோம். ஒரு தரம், 2 தரம், 3 தரம்.
டேய், 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 டேய்.
அடி பேசி பக்கத்து துட்டே.
என்ன போடுற நீ?
நான் ஒரே போடுறேன்.
டேய் போராடே கண்டவர டேய் நீ.
யாரை நீ சொன்னா நான் கீழே
இருக்கும் திடோ 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 திடோ.
This was the entry scene of Draupadi Vastravaranam, the entry of the Kauravas. And then, of course, there is much more to follow. But I think we change to a different play. Kurvanji? Dutasana. Okay. Oh, the entry of Dutasana. So we jump in the play to show you a little bit of different parts of the different ways of making an entry. Dutasana. Entry.
Thank
running right now, junior, and then a second batch and the third one. Some of them have graduated and some who are in the last 2 years. Lona is now coming for the first time. This is a main character who sounds like an all-night performance. And it's a very energy-demanding character, so this is only the entrance. The total role will take about 2 to 3 hours to perform in full costume. The Kaurava ladies in the play Kuruvanji, which has a very different feel to it. It's a kind of old Mahabharata story. In the Putta Bharadam there is a Draupadi Kuruvanji, so it's about Draupadi who disguises herself as the Kurati, a gypsy-like lady, a folk character. In many of the other, or most, as far as I know, all the other Kuruvanjis in Tamil Nadu, the main characters will be a king and a queen, and the Kurati is in a kind of subordinate position to serve them. Here it's actually the main character of the story who disguises herself in a low-class character. The reason is that the Kauravas have decided to carry out the death rituals for the Pandavas, and this happens at the end of their 12 years in exile. Because they believe they have died, but they're not entirely sure. And by carrying out the death rituals, they will ensure that they cannot return to civil society, even if they were still to be alive. And Krishna comes to know all this and instructs Draupadi that she should go in disguise, because the 13th year, which they have to live incognito, is about to begin, so she cannot be recognized by the Kauravas. To go in disguise to the court and tell fortune to the ladies, the Kaurava ladies. Draupadi is reluctant because she does not want to kind of disguise herself as a gypsy character. In the end, Krishna convinces her. She says also, I will be very vulnerable when I go to the court of the enemy. And Krishna promises her that he will come as the baby she carries on her arm to protect her. She goes to the court of the Kaurava ladies. They ask her to tell fortune, and she predicts that in a forthcoming war, all their husbands will die. They're not very happy with this message, and then one of the ladies starts doubting who she is. They bring her in front of Duryodhana, and Duryodhana is also suspicious. They put her in jail, and then find that Arjuna comes and liberates her. This is in short the story of Draupadi Kuruvanji. This is the scene where you will see the entry of the Kaurava ladies and then the Kurati.
Bye. Thank you.
Subhadra Kalyana, the marriage of Subhadra. And this is a play which our Oldos company has been performing. It's a slightly different kind of musical style, which is in between the Isegnara and the Puki tradition. You will hear it from the music, and it's especially for the lovers of the Tamil language, because it's all about wordplay. Balaram has decided that Subhadra will marry Duryodhana, and Krishna is trying to prevent this because he knows that his sister is in love with Arjuna. But he does not express this openly, so all around there's big confusion. And in the end, of course, Arjuna and Subhadra marry, but there's a long story prior to that.
Yeah.
Makkelijk, zie je?
Hier, glas கூட வாங்க.
Goeie bedoelingen. Kun je nog maar even van het gaan? This is a children's performance. And one is preparing this performance metaphors. பாட போறீங்களா?
Come on.
Happy தம்பி, அதோ பார்த்தாயா? இரண்டு உருவம். ஐயோ, எனக்கு பயமாக இருக்கின்றது. அக்கா, பயப்படாதே. கிட்டே பார்க்கலாம் வா. வேண்டாம், வேண்டாம். எனக்கு பயமாக இருக்கு. நன்மை ஏற்பது போல் தெரிகிறது வா. தம்பி, என்னமோ சொல்றாங்க. எனக்கு பயமாக இருக்கு. எனக்கு கூட ஒண்ணும் புரியல. சரி வா, கிட்டே போவோம். அக்கா, இவங்க பேசுறதே ஒண்ணும் புரியலையே. தம்பி, எனக்கு கூட ஒண்ணும் புரியல. ஒருவேளை இவங்க பாஷை நம்ம ஆதிக்கு புரியுமா? ஆமாமா, ஆதிக்கு புரியும். வா போய் ஆதி அழைத்து வரலாம். நீங்கள் இங்கேயே இருங்கள்.
So this was a little taste as how you start as a Kataputa performer. The first ever play they did, and the two kids you saw here, they still have to do the Arangetram. They are rehearsing Maya Kudre, Magic Horse, the play is called. It was a request number written by Raspal, and the children asked him to write particular characters into the play, and they included a tortoise, a monkey, a doctor, and very often when we perform this play in a village, because the doctor is calling up the nurse, other children are asking, where is the nurse character? She doesn't come on stage, she's only talking to her over the telephone. But it's a story about communication and self-confidence. Tannambike, and it centers around Shakti. What is Shakti? In the end, it turns out to be believing in what you do, and if you believe you can do it, you will be able to do it. And they have long searched about what Shakti means. Is it physical power? Physical power is symbolized by the tortoise here. He's very strong, but he cannot carry back the two aliens you saw to the place where they come from, because he cannot fly. He can only swim, and he can walk very slowly. The Kate character you saw is a magician, Mahabunam, and the children think that maybe he has a mantra through which you can get your Shakti back. But the Mahabunam maybe is very knowledgeable, but he doesn't want to share his knowledge, and not with little children who cannot understand about mantra, and also not about foreigners who have nothing to do here. That are the aliens. And they approach the doctor because they think maybe through modern science, through a pill, you can fly, get your power to fly. The doctor says he's very willing to help, but when it turns out they have no money to pay him, he gets very angry with them. And then, very disappointed, they go back to their village, and on the veranda of the house lies the clown asleep because he's been to an all-night performance and he's very tired. He hasn't even removed his makeup. His only goal at that moment is to get a good day's sleep. So they wake him up, and in order to get rid of these little kids, he tells them, you just close your eyes, you lie down, and you think of that what you want to do. And they take his advice literally, and in that dream the magic horse comes, the aliens sit on the magic horse and fly back. That is the story of the magic horse. Someone only. This is also a little bit about getting to know what Kute is. If you have any questions or any things you would like to tell us, very welcome. Mine mag ik elkaar niet uit? Wat die was nou? Maar wacht, op wie het elkaar So this was the first group who performed.
நான் ஏழாவது படிக்கிறேன். என் பேர் வந்து
Balaji, and who studies in the 7th standard.
ஆறாவது படிக்கிறேன். என் பேர் செல்வரசு.
Selvarasa studies 6th standard.
ஒன்பதாவது படிக்கிறேன். என் பேர் மணி.
Mani, 9th standard.
6th படிக்கிறேன். என் பேர் சிவசக்தி.
Shivasakti, 6th standard. Thank you very much. Or kind of They were not in costume, but they are school children, and on their way home, they meet these two aliens. They complain at school, nothing happens at school, it's not very nice, they're very bored. And then on their way home, they meet these two strange characters with whom they cannot communicate.
என் பேர் சந்தியா.
Sandhya.
என் பேர் சிவரஞ்சனி. நான் 3வது படிக்கிறேன்.
Sivaranjani, 3rd standard. They join this year.
I have a question for you, Mr. Rajkumar. I also know that there's a voice coach here. One of the things that fascinated me was the way they projected their voices, because over the volume of the instruments in a fairly large and open space, their words were audible and the melody was clearly audible. So I'm wondering what kind of training they do on their voices. இவ்வளவு கத்தி பாடுறது ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்றது மூச்சு நிக்காம இவ்வளவு ஆடியும் மூச்சு நிக்காம அவங்க பாடுறாங்க. அது எப்படி செய்வீங்கன்னு ஒரு
அது கூட மாயாஜாலம் ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது. டெய்லி இந்த பிளே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 மாதம் பாட்டு வசனம் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கணும். அதை சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கும்போது டெய்லி பாடி போட்டு வரும்போது அதை பாடிக்கிட்டே இருக்கோம். ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஜாயின் பண்ணுவான் காலத்தின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் காலத்தின் போது அந்த ஆட்டம் அதே பாட்டோட சேர்த்து சொல்லும்போது இப்போ தான் இவங்களுக்கு இன்னொரு விளையாட்டு விளைவு கொடுத்துட்டு இன்னும் அப்போ உட்காந்து பாடிட்டு இன்னும் அந்த ஆட்டம் சரி. அது வந்து முதல்ல வந்து பாட்டு அதான் அந்த சுருதியோடவும் அந்த எங்கெங்கே நிற்கணும் எங்கே நிற்கணுன்றதை உட்காந்து பாடி சொல்லி கொடுத்து அப்புறம் அந்த பசங்க டயலாக் எப்படி பேசணும் அதே அது ஓரளவுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு சரியாக பாடம் அவங்களே புக்கு பார்க்காம பாடமும் வரணும் இல்லையா, பாடத்தோடு அவங்களே அப்படியே எப்போ அவங்க நடிக்கிறாங்களோ சீக்கிரம் நடிக்கலாம் உடனே காலேஜ் வந்து தலைவர் பேசிடுவாங்க, ஏன்னா ஆட்டம் வாங்கினாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ வரும்போது கொஞ்ச நாள் ஒரு வாரம் 2 வாரம் அவங்க உடனே கொஞ்சம் கம்யூனிகேட் கொஞ்சம், ஏன்னா ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது வெளியில் பிரச்சனையாக இருந்தாங்கன்னா கம்யூனிகேஷன் வராது.
So the voice training is in a quite organic way, and Ashwa always starts with teaching the songs, the rhythm, the shruti, the music, and then the next step will be they go to movement. The songs are taught sitting, so there's no movement happening as yet, but there are no specific exercises or. I mean, indeed, this is the first time we have Kuta taught within a kind of institutional setup. And in the old system, a boy used to join a company and then learn, because that company was performing during the season every night, and start out in the chorus. This is actually one of the ways to learn, to sing in the chorus. That is also the warming up for your voice. And then to take on small roles. And it's very much about memorizing the text, and only when you've memorized the text you can go to movement. And that's a very crucial step, because the moment they go to movement, they forget the text. And then it becomes very difficult to coordinate text, movement, body, especially in the first stage. That is always a very difficult transition to get things right. Because for a young child, this requires a lot of coordination. You have to sing, you have to remember your text, you have to act, you have to look at what the other characters on stage are doing, you have to listen to the music. Maybe you're nervous when you do it for the first time.
So the text is they memorize it just by hearing it?
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
listening then.
nowadays we have also the text split now, that is basically by listening. Yeah, here.
அவங்களுடைய கேள்விக்கு அப்போ இன்னொரு இது மாதிரி தான் ஆரம்பத்தில் என்ன ஃபாலோ டீச் பண்ணுறது அப்படியே ட்ரைனிங், வாய்ஸ் ட்ரைனிங் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. வாய்ஸ்க்கு தனியாக ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்துட்டு இப்போ எல்லாத்துக்கும் வாய்ஸ்க்கு இப்படி குரல் ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்து இந்தியா வெளிநாட்டு எல்லாம் கேட்கறதுனால இப்போ நான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னா பெயர்லேயே அந்த பெயர் அழைப்பு ஒரு பேர் கூப்பிடலையா, சொசாமின்னா சொசாமி கூப்பிடணும், எப்படி கூப்பிடுறது, அது எந்த பீச்சில் இப்போ சாலி இருக்குது, அப்படி கூப்பிடுறா தனியும் பேசி வச்சுப்பேன், இல்லைன்னா பேரே வச்சுப்பேன். பேர் தாளம் வரும், பேர்லேயே தாளம் வர சொல்லுவேன், பேர்லேயே அதே மாதிரி சொல்லி கொண்டு வரும். ஸோ அப்படி ட்ரைனிங் கொடுப்பேன் கொஞ்சம். அதுக்கப்புறம் பாட்டுக்கு எந்தெந்த பாட்டு மேல் பாட்டு பாடுறது, எப்படி எடுத்து கீழே போடுறது, எது மாதிரி இருக்குது, அந்த மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் அந்த பாட்டு பிரித்து இந்த மாதிரி பாடலாம். ட்ரைனிங்கும் தனியாக சேர்ந்து பாட்டே தொடாமல் அப்படியே ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்தா அவங்க பேரே யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன்.
And along the way, Rashma has developed a few very basic exercises. One is uses the name of the child, or in a workshop, the name of a participant, to help them free up their voices. And the name said in many different ways, with different kinds of volume, different kinds of emotions attached to it. But there is no formal voice training. This is an open air theatre. We work without amplification. That's why the melody is also loud. Has to be audible across sometimes quite a large area and a large audience, which can vary from 200 up to over 1,000 people or more. And we have now Alex is here for voice training, because there are problems, especially for the boys. At this age of 17, 18, 19, many of them, their voices change. So what do you do at that moment? Do you go on performing? Especially these kind of typical male roles are very demanding on a performer's voice, and as it is open air, and there is a slight kind of moisture or whatever in the air, it is very harsh on the voices of performers.
I'm very struck by the pitch, you know, the
Yeah.
pitch of Terrakutu, of Katekutu rather.
Here you have to
It's,
say Katekutu,
Katekutu.
because this pitch is typical for this style.
Okay, so the Katekutu pitch, what
4.5.
foreign,
Sundi.
4.5 meaning could be
We on
demonstrated?
harmonium, like now classical concert singer will sing 1.5.
Okay.
We
Could
are
you-
still in 4.5. When you listen to the old gramophone, the music which got recorded of the classical music, you hear them singing in a much higher pitch. It's the microphone which brought down the pitch. The rumato style, the style in which Ruijspaal was trained, has a very characteristic sound, this high pitch. Odyssey has a lower pitch, which makes the words more audible, but the height of the pitch carries the sound far and matches also with the mukabine, which is a very specific instrument in this setup. And they use then the register, the middle and the higher register in some songs too. That's also typical to this style. The madhya, here in the yeah, in some performances like Arjuna Tapas, the music will be set in a lower pitch. Tapas. Okay, this is Arjuna Tapas, which is these are the songs which are sung after an all-night performance, which tells the story of Arjuna in search of the Pashupati weapon. He climbs Mount Kailasa, and the story ends at the foot of Kailasa, and then the climbing in the village is done by climbing a palmyra tree with either a rope made of silk attached to it, or it has different side steps attached to it. And every step, the higher it gets, and every step there is a song until he reaches the summit. And this is Arjuna's penance, Arjuna's tapas, which has been, probably the Mahabharata story has been put on top of another kind of rite which was there. Because this is still very popular in villages, and women who have trouble at home or who cannot conceive will come and stand at the foot of the tapas maram. And Arjuna at that moment is supposed to be very powerful, especially when he descends. There's the whole story of the killing of the boar, etc., which is acted out in the middle of the village in a festival setting. And the songs are from some part from Kute and they're also taken from the Devaram repertory, the Shaivat repertory in Tamil, but sung in a very different way. You hear the Devaram sung, but this sounds quite different. It has also the high and the low pitch in it. And it's Bhakti repertory.
What do you? Is it the
I
breath?
wanted to read it speaking.
No, but
Like-
for you?
Like in the instrument. Change.
Is it the breath?
They give the breath. Yes.
Okay, it's the breath.
So I can use Sangeeta, 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 Sangeeta. So like name. So we can use body, always rhythm and நரம்புகளுக்கு தான் அந்த ராகம்.
Nerves.
நரம்பு இங்கிலீஷ்ல
Nerves.
என்னது?
Nerves.
ரிதம் பாடி ரிதமும் லயம் அந்த லயம் வந்து உடம்பு அப்படியே ஃபுல் பாடியில் கொண்டு வரும். ஸோ யூ கேன் இமோஷன் அந்த எவ்ரிதிங் சுருதி லயம் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த சுருதியை லயமாக்கி ஆனா அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் என்ன சரளி ஒல்லி இந்த 7 சுரங்கள், 7 சுரத்தில் எங்கெங்க எப்படின்னு பேசுது, மா சுத்திக்கு என்ன பேசுது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. இப்போ இது வந்து நம்ம வந்து I can't learn songs in the school and anything, only pick up the play. My father would come to me. So this song is Tandima Mugare Boti, because of the kath, right? Tandima Mugare Boti, Tapara Boti Boti, Adiyu Magaru Vemmi, Adarindala Boti, Nandiya Banai Banindu, Nandavo Zayavare, Chandinmalayil Meva, Shiva Subramanya Boti. இது எங்கே கமுக்கு கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு அப்படியே அதுலேயே அப்படியே ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் அந்த மாதிரி வந்து ஐ கேன் டீச் ஆல்சோ சேம் வே.
Questions about something about the process of characterization when, for example, let's say the beginning, the two men in the red shirts, the clowns. How do you work on the kind of characters? Is it they use their own attributes, or do you kind of study another character?
For the comedy or in general?
In general.
எப்படி வருஷத்துக்குள்ள நுழையிறதுக்கு
என்ன பண்ணுறேன்?
வழி கேட்கணும். எப்படி அந்த வருஷம் கேரக்டர் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு
என்ன வேஷம் போடுறோமோ அந்த வேஷம் போடும்போதே we'll put it the makeup. So which color? So Krishna and Vemana we put it blue. The பொட்டு வைக்கும்போதே அந்த கேரக்டர் thinking. Slowly we think that character goes to inside. Uchasana roll and the red. We mix in the white and the red, everything. That time you are thinking this is with
The
mirror.
red color is
We
aggressive.
all the
The red color is aggression.
yeah.
So you look at yourself in the mirror.
But this is makeup only. Before people says, my father also told me, when you put in the makeup, that time you think of the role. Now, demonstration and the workshop anywhere, suddenly you can move that role. So slowly grow that role, female role, male role, and clown role. You go to the inside and make it role.
But you don't discuss it, for example, what are the attributes of this character, or do you discuss it, for example?
Yeah, we discuss maybe sometimes in the training time. But other time only for new play with the children they learn. Now I can do, you can do this, but before not discussion. Sometimes discussion, sometimes nothing. Okay, they know some role. Okay, I know, you know that role, you know that role, you can do this, you can do this. But I am teaching the fully everything, all the day. Everybody, I told everybody, you can learn everything.
In a play, everybody has to know
All the
each
all the
role.
songs, all the dialogues, everybody knows. But then I give the role separate. You can do this, you can do after 1 month later. So maybe not only first. Everybody knows first fully. That is easy. They go to change. For many kids, they go to some companies. They go to learning in the college. Now, for example, the Sita, now the Krishna role, before the Subhanya, she is studying in our college. She did it, that role. Suddenly she many. So they grow up, their other group comes. So always many kids. Which role not fixed? Duchasan fixed. Person always change.
But is there a personal interpretation in the role? Do you see different actors play the same role in a very different way?
Some little.
Ik moet moeten wijzen aan voor hoe lang het gaat aan.
Person, yes.
Personal interpretation.
Personal interpretation between its joint. Yes, yeah. Not suddenly that time, teaching time. They are making many times. For example, Karnan, many people they do the role. Karnan or the main part. So my interpretation is separate, other person interpretation is separate. So they can do
And
other.
then a company gets
Many
commissioned
companies.
because we want to see
People.
a particular interpretation by the leading actor. That is important motivation to ask a particular company to perform because that actor has a name to
So
do
the
Karna
actors-
in a particular way.
Okay, so it's really actor-based, not so much director-based.
No, it's celebrity based on the actor side. There's no director. So that's very often the actor of the company who attracts an audience.
Wow.
Yeah.
Audience, they want to, you do this role, you do this role. Audience like the.
What about the gestures in the different roles? Are they very traditional, or are they also personal interpretation and building the gestures they use? So the things with the swords and, you know, doing the arms, the hands, the movements of the head.
This is particular style.
That is traditional.
Yeah, traditional.
So that is a kind of fixed
Fixed.
thing belonging to a certain role.
Yeah, which role, which,
Yeah,
Yeah.
you express
This-
that a lot with the
yeah.
gesture. Yeah,
this is role style, but mix, little mix,
yeah,
but still this style,
yeah.
not any new.
And
Everything is there, but a little bit fast.
Mm-hmm.
People
The
like
style,
fast. You
yeah.
can see, huh?
Yeah, but the way it is taught is very, you teach an entire character. It's not now your right leg goes forward or side. It is the total body kind of position,
course.
which is you have to get into your body.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter whether it's left or right which goes, as long as the total picture is in tune with the rhythm
yeah.
and the others and gets the communicates. So that's very different from a more, that's not an analytical way of teaching, that your whole body gets split up in different parts, voice.
No, it's a total
Yeah.
thing. Yeah, yeah. It makes it very expressive because of that, because it's an entity, you
Yeah.
see. Yeah.
And so a lot I think also work through copying. The little kids, when they have free, you will see them practice the movements they see in the theater.
Yeah, I also copy class.
Yeah, copy class, we call it. Copy class.
One more question related to that. I've noticed that, for example, people usually, I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but for example, the part of the characterization is that people keep the same position in space. Is that also kind of how you build the plane, that this character stands on the left side and this character stands on the right side, or it was just how I interpreted it?
Yeah, these are kind of fixed positions, and this is an all-night performance. One of the biggest problems is to stay in character all night. So very often the performers also will rest on the side, and then you see the clowns coming in with a comic sun. And very often they're out of character at that time. It has a strange kind of thing also in all-night performances of being in and out of character to the extent that some performers comment on the role they perform. That was not Brecht's invention, I think it's alienation. And when it's an 8-hour performance, these are kind of marathon performances to do. The calculation of the position or other fixed. As long as they give each other sufficient space because they're wearing these big skirts, so they have to be very careful not to bump into each other. That's for smaller kids also something they have to learn. Sorry.
I noticed a lot of the circling, it's anti-clockwise.
That depends on the.
Depends.
That depends on how they turn. You have both ways. That is another thing that is coordinate. For some people it's a preference, and for others.
So it's open. There's
It's open,
no.
yeah.
It's not. There's
No.
no significance on left and right or anything like that.
And sometimes the problem, so then I'm part yard.
When you don't know the preference
You
of.
find it before that, okay,
Yeah.
some fits the other way around,
Yeah.
separate.
So what kinds of
Otherwise, I always says them, they teach both. Two
both
sides.
sides?
Try both. But
Yeah,
one is
they
much more
can
difficult.
learn and two
Yeah.
sides.
For me, the anti-clockwise is always what registers. Maybe because I don't see it so often. So you know.
Anadore, jari gaan dan maar weer zo. Niet gedaan. Ja, ja, Anadore.
Many kids,
Zelfs, hè? Mahabudam.
many kids other way around, yeah. But they learn
Both.
the group, both. They can use the group times, same thing.
Okay.
Separate time, they
When
won't.
it will go on their own, it will be the other way.
How many walks are there? Charlies are there in Kathakuttu?
Adavud.
Adavud.
How many others?
Adavud. Are there
நடக்கிறது
fixed?
மட்டும் கேட்குறேன்.
Huh?
நடக்கிற விதம் மட்டும் கேட்குறேன்.
நடக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு தாளத்துக்கும் அதுக்கேற்ற நடக்கும்.
தாளம் மட்டும் இல்ல,
தாளம்,
உடம்பு வைக்கிற விதம்,
Huh?
உடம்பு பிடிக்கிற விதம்.
உடம்பு சேம் rhythm teach in the தாளம் same the
But
body
how many
movement.
walks? Are
Walks.
there different kinds of walks?
Yeah. People rolls same.
Kurat in another
Huh?
man.
சரிங்களா? Same rhythm. Female first, second male.
நடக்கிறது மட்டும் கேட்குறேன்.
Huh? நடை
வேறு
மட்டும்
வேறு
நடை.
விதமா, பொம்பளை மாதிரியா.
நடை இல்லையா? So male and female, and Kattavesham walk and Krishna walk separate.
Different.
Little.
Okay.
So location or something like this.
Very neutral.
Krishna, Balaram, only this costumes. Then only the not in the Kattavesham. The dress version, we call the dress version, the Krishna, Balaram, like that. So only normal walk. So some there is a at that time, the role you can walk. How do you walk this way? So tapas are two separate. Walk, steps different. Not like this. Limit, place, make steps. Some more big steps. So you're make
Eyes.
yeah eyes.
Eyes comes with character.
Yeah. Like an
I think we have to wind up here because there is another performance by the apprentices and they would like to prepare for that. And that's at 6:30 downstairs at the guest house assembling.
Okay, Nandri, vanakkam.